What happens when dreams meet their destiny? When words meet a tune? When passion meets will? When comfort meets convenience? When trust meets aspirations? When road meets destination? Sheer magic happens. Meet the all-new Winger that comes with bold new aesthetics, where premium tough design philosophy combines with impact design philosophy of passenger vehicles. Ultimate comfort and convenience. Offers lesser cost of ownership because of better fuel economy and lower maintenance cost. Tata's connected vehicle solution that offers fleet management, trip management, and business management services at a click, and comprehensive protection and care with Sampurna Seva. Tata Winger, Sapno Ki Winger.